In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize a list with sections on Ticktick. Whether you're managing personal projects, work tasks, or a bit of both, organizing your to-do list into sections can help you maintain clarity and focus. Let's dive right in. Firstly, open your web browser and navigate to Ticktick's homepage. If you've used Ticktick before, you're likely already familiar with its clean and intuitive interface designed to keep you efficiently organized. Once you're on the site, look for the Sign In button, typically found in the top right corner of the page. Click it to begin accessing your account. The next step is to sign in with your Google account for ease and quick access. Click on the Google option, and if prompted, select the Google account you wish to sign in with. If you're using multiple accounts, make sure to choose the one that's linked to your Ticktick account for a seamless experience. After successfully logging in, take a moment to browse through your existing lists. Locate the list you intend to organize. You should see a small menu icon represented by 3 dots next to it. This is your gateway to a range of organizational options. Click this icon to reveal an action menu. From the action menu, look for Add Section. This feature is key to organizing your tasks effectively. Click Add Section. You'll then be prompted to name the section. Choose a name that clearly identifies the tasks the section will hold, for example, work, home, or urgent tasks. Having created a section, you can start dragging and dropping tasks from the unsectioned part of your list into this newly created section. This is a simple drag and drop action that can really help in visualizing and segregating your tasks for better management. It's like arranging items on a shelf, easy to access and easy to sort. If you find that more sections are needed, perhaps for different categories or projects, you can simply repeat the process. Click on those 3 dots again, select Add Section, and name your new section appropriately. Continue organizing by dragging and dropping tasks as needed. Finally, remember that you can always modify or rearrange sections whenever necessary. This flexibility allows you to adapt your task list to your evolving priorities and projects. By maintaining a well-organized to-do list with clear sections, you're empowering yourself to manage tasks more effectively and reduce the clutter that often accompanies busy schedules. In conclusion, organizing your list into sections on Ticktick is straightforward yet powerful. It's about making small adjustments that can have a big impact on your productivity and peace of mind. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Don't forget to explore more features within Ticktick to further streamline your task management. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.